What's going on, you guys? So we're gonna go to a meet today. We're gonna meet up with some boys, and then I'll just start filming from there. I don't know how much I'm gonna film on the way there because I don't want to get pulled over. I almost got caught. I was checking directions right now, and there was a freaking cop behind me. But I threw it on the floor, and I think he laughed, so maybe that's why he didn't pull me over. All right, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, we're here. We're at the Corrupted Concepts meet. It's pretty packed. It's in a underground parking structure, so it's pretty dope. I'm just gonna show you guys some content and shit. And try not to fall off my board. But it's already getting freaking stupid hot in here. Because I have my backpack because I don't want to leave it in my car. Because they're gonna jack my ass. So I'm just gonna film the cars. Hopefully somebody does something cool. And you guys can enjoy this. About a dip, got raided. Hopefully we don't get caught up right now. Deuces! That's why I don't come to meets, guys. Never again! Look who we have here. So I left the meet and then my brother called me. And the evil's probably broken. Well, well, well.
Oh shit, you're sleeping?
Sam forgot to put his fucking oil cap on. God, this is what happens when you rush and you want to be fast, Sam.
No, it's because they're like, oh.
Nothing happened. I guess just a serpentine belt just got freaking blasted away with the oil.
It was on. It was just not locked in.
So what? It's just because it got slippery, it slipped off or what?
Nigga, fucking oil went.
I mean, open your hood.
Dude, fucking oil was coming out of the fucking.
Damn, fool, it's shiny.
Damn shit.
Looks like a fucking. Nah, turn up the light off. Try to turn it off. Look at this, dude. Like a show car, Sam.
What oil?
Wow. I guess he left this off. This one, Sam?
Yeah. It was on, but it was like
this. Off, bitch.
And then it fucking popped off.
You're lucky nothing fucking blew up. Have you checked your dipstick? Sam's 1200 horsepower even.
What the fuck?
Alright, I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're gonna go home and then get Sam some tools because they're getting them a belt. And we're gonna change it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, all that crap. Talk to you guys later.